What's up, y'all? Told y'all I was gonna try to do a POV view. You see I got my son car seat over here. But right now I'm about to try to go to Best Buy, see if they got any see if they have any GoPros there. Hopefully they do. I hate these things right here. Like, that's a never ending story with the C5s. And they do it with the C6s, so I just don't understand, like, if everything is good, like why it still does that, but guess we'll never know. We're gonna try to get some good view, but this is a stick, so it's not all that easy doing this crap with one hand. See what they got. So empty. These are the only GoPros they have. Should get a drone, right? It's the Hero Black 11. GoPro 9. GoPro 10. 349. Hero 11, 399. I wanna know what accessories it come with. Hero 9. GoPro accessories. So this is where it becomes confusing there, y'all, because I don't know which GoPro to get. I never had a GoPro. Which one would y'all say is better? The 10 or the 9? I mean, I know the 10 is newer. That's the 360. Which one do y'all think is better? The 9, the 10, or the 360? Let me know down in the comments below, because I'm up here and I'm thinking about getting a, so I can get y'all some POV footage, because I leave Saturday and it would be great if I can get some POV footage. So I'm thinking about getting maybe the 9 just to start off, and get like one of these things, maybe one of these. What do y'all think? I don't know. I never had a GoPro. Kind of lost y'all. You see, we got the footage right here. That's the Max. So that's pretty dope. But we are in Best Buy, and I do know they have some stuff down here. We should get the, which one is this? DJI Pocket. That one looks pretty good too. I never seen this one. DJI, pretty cool. But folks, I'm gonna get back with y'all in a little bit. Once again, thank y'all for tuning in. I'm about to go ahead and check out one of these GoPros, because, oh, excuse my mountain, my volcano right there. But it's about time for me to upgrade, because lately I've just been recording with my phone. So it's time for me to upgrade and go ahead and step out and get me a GoPro. So I'm just debating on which one I want to get while I'm down here and before I leave, so I can get some extra footage for y'all. Haven't done that much research on GoPros. I've done more research on the Hero Max, the 360 camera. That one and the other 360 camera that they have, but I really haven't done that much research on GoPros. But I need to get y'all some POV footage of me actually driving the Vette. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Peace, love, and happiness, and I'll see y'all in the next one.